Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to archive a highlight on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and proceed to go to your profile. In the middle of your profile, you will see your highlights. And if you want to archive a highlight without deleting it, simply long press on the highlight and select Delete Highlight. This action will hide the highlight from your profile page, but it will not remove the stories from your archive. So if you wish to visit your archive, just click both the horizontal lines and select Archive and select Stories Archive. And if you wish to add a story from the archive in the future to a new highlight, just click the plus sign icon, which will open your Stories archive. And that's how you can easily archive highlights on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!